As mentioned earlier, pressure ulcers can develop on many parts of the body. As occupational therapists, our goal is to help reduce the rate at which an individual may develop pressure ulcers. Pressure mapping is a system that clinicians use to quantify pressure. Um, there are two main technologies that exist to manage pressure for persons who use wheelchairs. They are pressure redistribution cushions and tilt and recline components of wheelchair. So, for instance, an OT may use pressure mapping to determine which cushion is more likely to redistribute pressure. So instead of just assigning any type of cushion to an individual, you want to make sure that the individual has the best possible support to eliminate pressure ulcer. Also, there are head supports that also would help reduce individuals from developing pressure ulcers to the back of the head. Two properties that influences the reliability of pressure measurements are creep and hysteresis. Creep refers to the stability of the pressure reading over time, and hysteresis refers to the change in pressure reading as the device is loaded and unloaded.